A lot of people did ask me how to speed up Adobe Premiere these last days, and if I want to record it and upload it so everyone can see. Yeah, what I mean is like you finish your edit, you put a lot of work in it, of course, and before you upload on YouTube or Kick, something like that, you want your edit to be as perfect as possible. What I totally understand, of course. So you're gonna watch it and watch it and watch it again, you know, to look for imperfections and edit them. Of course. But if you do that at normal speeds, it's gonna take a really long time. Yeah? So I'm gonna show you today what's the best way to do that and how to speed up Adobe Premiere. Let's go. Okay. It's easy. Everything is, if you know how to do something, everything is easy. So this is normal speed, like you can see and hear. Now we're gonna put it at speed a little bit faster. I think this is 2 times. I don't know what they mean exactly, like X2, X3, X4, but it's a little bit faster. When you want to speed up your edit, like I finished my edits, like you can see, this is the beginning, this is the end. Yeah. If I'm gonna watch this as normal speed, it's gonna take me 45 minutes. Yeah. But if I watch it at a little bit faster speed, I think 2 times. Wait. No, this is normal speed. This is normal speed. Now I'm gonna speed up a little bit. Check it out. I think this is X2, 2 times faster. I think. I don't know for sure. I think, or 1.5 faster. Yeah. You press L. Look. First time, second, third, you see? It goes faster and faster. And when you press the 3rd time on L, there's no sound anymore. But let's say you want to go back, yeah? Because sometimes maybe you saw something and you want to go back, yeah? You can press the arrow, you know, the arrow keys, like you have left, right, down, up, like this. Or you can just press the button J, like this. If you want to stop it, you press this space. And that's it. It's real easy, yeah? So I hope this is a solution for a lot of people, yeah, who had this problem. Because I also used to when I used to finish my edits, I used to watch it normal speed over and over and over. It looked so much time. But when I found this, it made the edit also more fun, yeah? Because it wasn't that bothersome anymore like before. So that's it for today, guys. So if you like it, you know how it goes, yeah? Leave a like, you want to see more, subscribe. And I wish you all a good day and a nice weekend. Take care. Peace out.